Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what will happen if you lose your Ellipal Titan 2.0 cold wallet or if it gets broken. If your device gets broken or lost, no need to panic. Basically, everything is still recoverable if you still have your seed. If you have your seed phrase, then it'll be all great. But if you don't have it anymore, then it won't be too good. So let's talk about what will happen if you have your seed phrase first. If you still have it, if you have it backed up, then if your device gets lost or stolen, if no one gains access to your password on the device, then you're still secure. So that's why it's very important to, first of all, have your password very secured. Then later on you'll find out why also the seed phrase is also very important to have it very, very secure. And lastly, also if you have your passphrase, then you also need to have that. Need to remember that. If you don't understand passphrases, you can simply watch a video on our channel on what is a passphrase and how to set it up on Ellipal Titan 2.0. Now, once you want to use again your money on the cold wallet, then you'll just need to get another one or use a hot wallet to type in your seed phrase, including the passphrase optionally. The device will automatically restore the private keys based on the seed phrase, and you'll be good to go because the money isn't stored on the device. It's stored in a public and decentralized blockchain, which means that the device only has the seed phrase and private keys. And private keys can be easily restored from the seed phrase. And that's why you shouldn't give your seed phrase to anyone. Now, with that being said, let's move on to what will happen if you don't have your seed phrase anymore, and you've lost your assets permanently. Basically, your crypto is unrecoverable. You've just lost it if you don't have your seed phrase, and that's because the cold wallets don't store your crypto. They store keys to access it, and the keys are generated based on the seed phrase, of course. So with that, you can simply restore your wallet as many times as you like, and you don't need to worry about that. But if for some reason you've lost it, then you won't just recover your money if you don't have the seed phrase. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.